Hi, my name is Jose Alfredo Gomez Mora and my topic is the elaboration of cheese. Artisan cheese are those that are made one by one, thanks to the knowledge and sensitivity of a master cheesemaker who takes care of the entire production process. It consists in 5 steps. The first, coagulations, process that consists of draining lactic or coagulant ferments, which can be vegetable or animal, to the vat where the ferment milk is located. Second, curing and draining. When the curd has the perfect texture, the dough is cut with special blades called liras. Pressing. With the product in the model, the dough is pressed to finish drying the remaining whey. Sometimes the cheese is covered with a porous cloth, which make the process faster and safer. Salting, a fundamental and necessary process to preserve the product well. From the crust and oven, I'll avoid the growth on undesirable microorganisms. And the last one, maduration. Final phase of production that will make each cheese unique. In the process, the cheese are kept on caves or ripening chambers where factor is important as a temperature, humidity, or a quality and control. That's it. Thank you, teacher.